Good afternoon, friends. Myself Jansari Kishore from Nauka Institute. Today I will teach in Standard 12 English Grammar. The name of the topic Active Passive Voice. This is a part 10. In last part, I show you many examples in different tenses. In this video, we will see examples of infinitive. So what is infinitive? So if the sentence is to, am to, are to, was to, were to, so in this sentence how we make the passive, so we will see in this video. Now see the first example. I am to learn Urdu. In this sentence, the sentence I is a subject, learn is a verb, and Urdu is a object. So first of all we have to put object. So Urdu is to be. Here along with I, that is am given, but along with Urdu we have to put is. Now to we have to put to. So Urdu is to be. Now third form, learnt by me. Got it? I repeat the answer. Urdu is to be learnt by me. Now see the second one. She has to finish knitting. She is a subject, finish is verb, and knitting is object. Now here see has to is given, that is also called infinitive. So first of all we have to put object. So knitting has to be finished by her. Okay, repeat the sentence. Knitting is object, so knitting has to be finished by her. Now see the next one. Mohan is going to start a new business, new shop. Mohan is a subject, start is a verb, and a new business is a object. So first of all we have to put object. A new shop is going to be. Now when the sentence is going to, then we have to put is going to, then be. Now third form, started by Mohan. Okay friends, now see the next sentence. The poem is too difficult to understand. To, T-O-O. Now this type of sentence if arrive or come, then you have to make changes. See carefully. The poem is too difficult to be understood. I repeat the sentence. There changes only comes to after to to we have to put be and we have to put v3. Understand? Third form of understood. So the poem is too difficult to be understood. Now see the next one. Harass is to lift the box. So harass is a subject, lift is a verb, and the box is a object. So first of all you have to put object. The box is to be. The box is to be lifted by harass. Okay. So in this sentence harass is a subject, lift is verb, and the box is object. So first of all I put the box object. Then is to be, that is second rule. Lift is the third rule. By is the fourth, and after by we have to put subject, that is the fifth rule. Now the next sentence. The governor was to award the principal. Okay, so the government is a subject, award is a verb, and the principal is a object. So first of all we have to put object. So the principal was to be. The principal was to be awarded by the governor. The principal was to be awarded by the governor. Okay. Now see the next sentence. This poem is too long to remember. Now this also comes to two, T-O-O and two. So the same thing which I show you. The poem is too long to be remembered. So here we have to do the same thing. After to to we have to put b and then we have to put v3. So remember is the first form and we have to put v3, that means remembered. Now see the last sentence. This game is easy to play. Okay, so this game is easy to play. So this game is easy to be played. Okay, so here we have to make changes, like after to we have to put b and we have to put v3 of v1. So here v1 is a play, we have to put played. So v1 tha, v1 ka we have to do v3. So answer repeat again, this game is easy to be played. I hope you understand this infinitive types of sentence, and if you have any problem you can call me. I hope you will understand better way. Thank you very much to listen me carefully. Once again, thank you very much.